Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, the Optimism OP Crypto Airdrop. If you're intrigued by holder airdrops and governance tokens, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process of claiming your Optimism OP tokens and what makes this airdrop stand out. Let's dive in. Optimism OP airdrops are special events where crypto projects reward their loyal community members with free tokens. But what sets the Optimism OP initiative apart is that it's not just about free crypto. It includes governance tokens. This means you not only get $500 worth of tokens, but also have a say in shaping the future decisions of the project. Exciting, right? Now let's break down the Optimism, our OP airdrop campaign. It's a unique opportunity for those interested in decentralized finance and community-led projects. So how do you get in on the action? Here's a step-by-step guide to claiming your Optimism OP tokens. 1. Visit the Optimism OP token giveaway page. 2. Connect your operational cryptocurrency wallet. Note: unused or new wallets are not qualified. 3. Claim your Optimism OP tokens. It's that simple. Make sure to follow these steps to ensure you don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. But wait, there's more. We've got some tips to help you stay ahead in the world of crypto airdrops. Be engaged. Actively participate in the crypto community to increase your chances of receiving more airdrops. Stay informed. Keep an eye on new projects and opportunities for free tokens. Legal compliance. Always abide by local laws and regulations when participating in airdrops. In summary, the Optimism OP distribution is not just about receiving free crypto. It's an opportunity to join a community-led token initiative and shape the project's direction. By staying informed, actively engaging, and ensuring legal compliance, you can optimize the benefits of this airdrop and other similar opportunities. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrencies, being informed and secure is crucial. That wraps up our Optimism OP crypto airdrop tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto content. Until next time, stay informed, stay secure, and happy trading.